Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Steps. Today I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide desktop icons on your MacBook. If your screen feels cluttered, or you just want to tidy things up, or temporarily hide some files, here are 3 ways you can do it. The quickest and easiest way is by using Terminal. To hide the desktop icons, open Terminal by pressing Command Space, typing Terminal, and hitting Enter. Then type the following command to hide all the icons on your desktop. If you want to bring the icons back, just replace false with true, like this. Hit Enter, and all the icons will reappear. While this method is simple, it requires you to remember the commands, which can be inconvenient if you need to do this often. If you don't want to type commands in Terminal every time, you can create a small application to automate the process. Here's how you can do it. First, open Script Editor by pressing Command Space, typing Script Editor, and hitting Enter. Then copy and paste the following code into the editor. I'll include a link to this exact code in the video description for your convenience. Once you've pasted the code, hit Run to test it. If your desktop icons are currently visible, they'll disappear. If they're hidden, they'll reappear. When the script works properly, go to the File menu, click Export, name the file, toggle Desktop Icons, and make sure to choose Application under File Format. Then hit Save. Now, whenever you want to hide or show your desktop icons, you just need to double-click the app you created. If a notification pops up asking for permission, just click Allow. If you don't want to bother with typing commands or creating an app, you can use HiddenMe, a simple app available on the Mac App Store. With HiddenMe, you can hide or unhide desktop icons with just one click. Do note that HiddenMe costs $1.99 on the App Store. There's a free alternative called Hide Desktop, but based on my experience, it's not very reliable. It works sometimes and fails at other times. So now you know 3 different ways to hide and unhide desktop icons. Depending on your needs, you can pick the quickest, most convenient, or simplest option that works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.